Hi, everybody. So similar to my lab mate, Selene, I'm also going to take you back in time, but hopefully not to adolescence, maybe even a scarier time, actually. I'm taking you back to March 2020. And that is because around the similar time is when one of my favorite artists, Bad Bunny, released an album titled Yo hago lo que me da la gana, which translates essentially to, I do whatever I want. But at the time, due to COVID-19 lockdowns, we could not do what we wanted. And what I wanted to do was go out with my friends and dance to this album so bad that instead I orchestrated a Zoom dance party because I was that desperate for social contact. Now, I was not the only one resorting to Zoom during this time. A lot of us really wanted to fulfill that desire to be together. Now, this desire is not uniquely human. Many creatures, including rats, are very social, and we can study them in the lab. So in 2021, when I joined the Mahler lab, I was really interested in the brain mechanisms that underlie this decision to go out and hang out with friends, or sometimes to just stay home, because it changes this social motivation. In 2020, I was dying to go dancing, but today, if my lab mate Bree asked me to go out after this and celebrate and dance, I would probably say, no, thank you, girl. I kind of am a little overstimulated today. So what's kind of interesting is that throughout my PhD, I found this cell population in the ventral pallidum that if I turn these cells on, the rats are actually going to press a button to hang out with their friends even more than usual. And if I turn this cell population off, well, the rats would rather just stay in at home. And this is really interesting when we're thinking about our daily decision-making processes, but even more important when we're thinking about it in the context of mental health disorders, because so many neuropsychiatric illnesses have social factors and components that are not always being looked at in these preclinical models. Examples, depression and addiction both have very strong symptoms of social withdrawal. And that is why I'm very excited to continue in academia, in my postdoc, and as a PI that hopefully has her own lab, in order to study the bridge between social neuroscience factors and also mental health disorders. And that is why I'm so extremely thankful to the CNLM community, to both Drs. Yasa, to Dr. Renée Harwick, and all of the CNLM friends, my lab and family, for letting me come up here and share this exciting research with you, because it's my goal to bridge this connection to inform better preclinical models to hopefully inform better patient outcomes in the future. So thank you all for deciding to come hang out with us today.